Welcome to Music Palace. First, we'll draw the head. Next, we'll draw the ears. Now, we'll draw the face. Next, we'll draw the body. Now, we'll draw the arms. Finally, we'll draw the legs. Good job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I hope you have a wonderful day.